Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm Baba Money. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Let me know how you guys are doing. Interesting. Very interesting. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are in Payout City on some of the accounts. It's kind of weird. Yeah. It's just the trade copier is all over the place sometimes. Trade copier is honestly all over the place. It's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. Fernus! We are in Payout City and 20 accounts here. But the goal is we got to get to max payouts. So we got to get these accounts up to 7,750. That's the goal. That's the goal on 20 accounts. That's a 55K payout, Pandas. That's half of 100K. That's more than half of 100K. That's like people's yearly salary. Usually. I think the medium salary is like $80,000 in the U.S. The median salary. We're going to make the median salary in 8 days of trading. We're about to do that right now. What a push. What a strong push. Strong push down, strong push back up. We have news at 9:45, Pandas. 9:45. How cool is that? I'm gonna wait till market opens. Let's be patient here, Pandas. Let's be very patient. Overnight session was absolute trash. But the nice thing is, maybe if the overnight session is absolute trash, the actual session will be amazing. I hope so, because yesterday, this is what we're dealing with, situations like this. Big spike up and just hang out here forever. Goodness gracious. I mean, I'm guessing we're gonna open near previous day's close. So I think we're gonna open, but we'll see. But let's try to fill the gap pretty quickly. We have news at 9:45 pandas, and it could be significant. It's high impact news, and so uh, just be ready for it. My goal is to make 2K a day. I want to make 2K today. I will make 2K tomorrow. And by then, we will be well within our range to get a payout. Well in our range, I believe. Okay. Strong bear branding on slow. Market's about to open in 5 minutes. Second, just short enticing here. Just because it's a key area right here. We want to come back to here. Right, big down, big up, making it look like a trading range. So most likely going to trade back down into this. Most likely, but most likely means most likely. That means there is a less likely chance to do something else. Pandas, 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 pandas. We got this, pandas. We absolutely got this. So I got you short. Second short after coming after strong bear to bull bar here. I actually like the fact that it's creating a small trading range here. Decent enough signal bar. This could be a nice short here. Small baby risk. It really is a baby risk. It's so small. It's not even 10-point risk. Okay. Whoa. Snaps down. That's nice. Snapping down is always nice when you're in the short. Not much to lose here because I have a static threshold.
Target filled.
Take one off. Taking one off. At the new low. We're going to hold it to fill the gap here. Hopefully it doesn't snap all the way back up, but if it does, it's okay. We protected some profits here. I'm more willing to swing trade now because we have static thresholds, right, Pandas? With static thresholds comes great power. With great power comes great responsibility. As the saying goes. All right, lower high. I'll take it. Market's about to open, which could snap this back up to our break even. Or, yeah. We'll see, though. Market's open.
5-minute trap.
Okay.
2,500 tick trap.
Snaps me out break even. Ooh, not really. I'm going to try this trade here. Feels like entry long on the 2,500 tick. Takes me out break even, so be it. I already protected my profits here. Okay, takes me out break even, which I thought I was going to do, but you know, we protected our profits. We got some profits here already. We got news at 9:45, Pandas, don't forget. Feels like entry short. Ooh, okay. No longer interested in this short. Feels like entry short, pops up. Maybe looking for a new high here now. That's why I come out break even here. It's okay. We'll find another trade. I thought we were going to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right? There's a gap on the 5-minute chart here. I thought we were going to fill it, but we didn't. Such a high chance to do it when you're that close, so I felt like it was worth trying to trade to it. Obviously didn't work out, but it's all good. We'll get it next time. It's a high probability setup. Second entry long on the 2,500 tick chart is all that was. Right, just a second entry long here. Second entry long, A, B, C. All right, A, B, C, D. You know how it goes. Actually, I heard they changed it. I heard they changed the ABCs, the tune. Pandas, drop some GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Stephen Black, good morning. 400 away from passing 50K eval. Hope you get it. Yeah, good morning. Rohan, good morning. All right, now we're pushing down really hard. Okay. Lower high would be interesting to fill the gap here. Micro double top instead. Trader's probably eager to short here, in my opinion. Because I'm eager to go short here, so trader's most likely eager to go short here. I'm eager to go short here, so I'm sure other traders are eager to go short here. Break of this low. We're trying to fill the gap now. After just a unnecessary push up, but it is what it is. No entries. All right, I want to not lower high. Never got it. But we filled the gap. Sick. We filled the gap. Only after just a nasty push up first. Then we fill the gap. So sick. More shenanigans as always. But pandas, we do have news coming up at 9:45. So it is what it is. Double top here. Big down, big up. Right. Makes it high chance of trading range in this area, which is what we're getting. Big down, big up. Gio, good morning. Welcome, everybody. We're so close. I mean, we're already in Payout City, pandas. We're actually in Payout City, but the thing is, pandas, we need to get to max payouts, which is an extra around $2,000 from where we're at, and it might take a little time to get there. Maybe 1 or 2 more trading days. I'm hoping by tomorrow we'll get it. We're looking for max payouts across 20 accounts on the 150K accounts. Great place to be in. We're in a great place. Remember, there's news at 9:45. Could be choppy till then. Or makes a straight leg down. I don't know, right? 0 pullbacks in this whole leg down. Very hard to trade. Like, there's no entries. Just watching this go down. There's 1 pullback here. What's gold up to? Gold's not doing much either. Okay, pushing back up to the previous day's close. And we might love this area until news. Like, we might just go in and out of here until news. I'm not going to bank on it right now. There's not enough evidence of it. But we could. As you can tell, we are in Payout City. Like, we are in static threshold. We're above $5,000 profits. And the only issue is that I want max payouts. Like, if I do payouts now with Min, like basically $500 account, that's 10K. 10K is nice, right, pandas? 10K is nice. Is my volume low? People were complaining it was too high yesterday. Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Microphone check. Screening for the lecture. Check, check, check. All right. Maybe we are loving the previous day's close here. Just making a big leg up, big leg back down to it. It looks slightly bearish to me right now, though. What can I say? Good morning, guys. Hey, pandas. I mean, you guys saw it. You guys were here for the journey. Absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Last couple of weeks were very tough for trading. 5-minute chart just looks just choppy right now, but noticeably underneath the 20 EMA. We got news at 9:45. I may just hold off until then. We'll see. We are loving the previous day's close. Again, we're hitting it. Maybe I could try. Any reversal down to the previous day's close, I can try. If it's a breakout, it'd be hard, right? Like, after this, it looks like a breakout almost. It's very hard to reverse that. Kind of a silly trade, but we'll see. Let's see how much we love the previous day's close here. Sean Baber ending on its low. Snaps back up. Limit order market. Okay, almost touching it. 1 tick away from touching it. Coming up break even here at this point.
Target
All right.
filled.
Hey, I guess we love the previous day's close. Just took the first reversal to it. It's looking slightly bearish, in my opinion. Looking slightly bearish in my opinion. Going in and out of the 20 EMA, which is a reason why I decided to trade even above the 20 because we're disregarding 20 EMA currently. We do not care. Market does not care about the 20 EMA. It only cares about the 20 EMA if it's trending. Right now it's choppy. And in fact, this is one of the ways to tell if you start to turn to a trading range, right? If you start disregarding the 20 EMA. Lee A, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Maybe a bull flag here forming. Yep, news in 5 minutes, 9:45. It's PMI services, I believe. They can move markets. I've seen them move markets a lot. I've seen them move markets pretty big, but it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but like the probability is not that high. Like I typically don't bank on PMI service, but the thing is that it's the only news this week. So being the only news this week relatively could be big news. So it can actually move the markets a lot. Maybe a bull flag here. Right, big push up creates a slight consolidation here. And it's breaking the top of the consolidation, but can it close above it? That's the important part. Making another attempt back to the previous day's close. Shall we try? I feel like the probability is quite low this time. Okay. News in about 4 minutes. I'm going to wait. Pandas, I hope everyone's doing well. We are well on our way to our max payouts. We need about 1,500 more to get there. I might not be able to make it today. It might take a couple days. But it's better than trying to trade 8 days again with the consistency rule reset, right? Like just trading a couple more days. Like I could have requested payouts yesterday. Min payouts. But as you guys know, that's $10,000, right? Min payout $500 per account times 20, that's 10K. Pandas, we want max payouts. We want to get to 2,750 per payout times 20. That equals $55,000. I mean, imagine just getting $55,000 all of a sudden in your bank account. I mean, that's a car. That's a brand new car. Cash. Brand new car cash. Absolutely insane. News dropping about 2.5 minutes. We're just waiting. Like I said, kind of like a bull flag, which is exactly what's happening here. It's a bull flag. Measure move almost met here on that bull flag. Five-minute, making it look bearish. Right? Having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA. Hard time closing above the 20 MA. And creating wicks through the 20 MA and closing beneath. So it feels and looks bearish to me. It feels and looks bearish to me. If I had to choose, I'll choose bearish. If I had to choose one way or the other. About 1 more minute. We're patient here, Pandas. Pandas! Hope everyone's doing well. Scap that like button. Good morning, everybody. We made Payout City. We absolutely made Payout City here. But the work is not done yet. The work is not done yet. We're getting max payouts. We're looking for max payouts. Five seconds of news. It could be big, and I'm thinking it's going to go short. Like really short. Like super short.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Or not. Just goes crazy. It's just completely wacky. Completely wacky. Pushing up. And pushing down. This really feels 50-50 to me. I mean, this is the bar I created instantly. One candle. It's a big risk here. Very 50-50. Very 50-50 right now. Making higher highs, higher lows, though, currently. Higher highs and higher lows being made. Okay, pushing down pretty hard. Dealing with this. Dealing with this.
5-minute trap.
5-minute trap. Since we're stuck in this range, there's not much we can do. Very confusing. As we're stuck in this range, is very confusing here. Feels like inch long. Could be a decent push down, but we're kind of stuck in this range. Okay, feels like inch short or long. Fails. Double failure. Could be a decent push up here. I was thinking about going short here, so. It's really sideways, really choppy. More or less the same as it has been the last 3 weeks. Just continuing. I could try. I can try just one contract. It's a sus trade, but let's see if we can make a decent move. Like, it has to be a really decent move for me. It's not worth reversing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. And the moment it triggers, it snaps back up. Like, I should just be buying with limit orders here, huh? Limit order market. That's what we're in. And I should wait till we get out of the twilight zone. Paid the price of a silly trade, and I deserved to get hit here. Dumb trade. Dummy trade. Plus, it's big risk. This risk is actually a lot bigger than I thought. 25-point risk. Jeez. Bigger than I thought. I didn't realize it was like 25 points of risk right there. Most likely get stopped out, though. I mean, maybe the limit order gods will help me here. Maybe. But I'm not going to risk more than this. Push it down. Maybe chance to come out break even. If I get a chance to come out break even, I'll try. It's a OII pattern. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. Either way. I may reverse it here actually now. Maybe I'll reverse it here if it does pop up. Takes me out. Very fun day already, as you can tell. 5 bajillion overlapping bars in a row. What's new? What's new, pandas? What's new? We're breaking to the upside here. Breaking to the upside. The 2500 takes us OII pattern. OII. Or actually, IOII. Outside, inside. That's what's happening here. So, fun. Very fun. Very great. Lots of joy. Pandas, you know how it is. Every single day it's like this. It's just like this every single day. Every single day it's been like this. And it's just, it should be expected at this point, so I don't even know why I'm upset. You just think every once in a while you get like a good day of trading, and you just never get it. You never get it. Every once in a while you think you get one day of good trading, and then 3 weeks pass, and not one single day has been good. It's been very choppy every single day. Daryl says, hey, baby, nice to see you doing well these days. Just interested to know if you studied the Albrook. Yes, I did, and I have an affiliate link in the description if you want to get more information. It helps out this channel. I appreciate it. Austin Hare, good morning. Darky, good morning. Little Hammer, good morning. Brother. What up, brother? Brother. Nice pop up, right? That IOO pattern. OII pattern works out, 2500 tick chart. We're looking for that one. That's what I was thinking about reversing it, but I withheld. Just take it slow. Take it slow, pandas. No rush. We're basically 1-1 right now. I'm still green. No rush in this just this ridiculous market here. It's just ridiculous. Decent push up. Could be setting the pace for today. Could be a strong bull day today. Who knows? Daily charts, just overlapping bars, so we can just come right back up. It's a limit order market on the daily chart. So we can find ourselves with a nice reversal back up. No entries on this uptrend. All first entries. We're having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low now, making it look like it's very, very bullish. Very bullish here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Give me a setup. Give me something, please. Please, give me something. Tight bull channel. 2 super strong bull bars in a row. 2500 tick chart. Right? 2 super strong bull. Hey, it makes a 1 to 2. No problem. 1 to 2 on that. delicious looking trade. The IOO patterns, so sick. All good. And maybe I should look for that. I kind of took a silly trade here. Honestly, that was a silly trade. I mean, I just felt like we had great potential to push down. Right? The 5-minute chart just had a tough time breaking above 20 EMA, closing above it. I thought we looked bearish. What can I say? They look bearish to me. And when it looks bearish, I want to go short. Limit order market. Very obvious here. Right? The moment strong bull bar ends on this high, snaps back down to its low. Let's see if the limit order bulls are in house. Let me know the limit order bears are. Let's see what the limit order bulls are. Coming back to the 20, man. Do I think it's an uptrend? I don't know. It is a breakout, but is it an uptrend? I'm not sure. I do not know. Truly do not know. No idea. Marcus Vaughn. Hey, Panda. Yesterday's chop all morning was frustrating, but after the FOMC announcement, the downtrend became easy to read. I actually took my couple trades just after lunch. How beautiful timing. Beautiful patience. If you're just patient enough, I mean, you'll make money in this market. It just takes a long time. Yesterday, that big sell-off, right? The 5-minute chart, this huge sell-off here. I mean, you can say it's price action. There's a lot of things you can say about it, but this huge sell-off, I think it was triggered by the bond market. Bond market was weaker. Jamil from a $500 slippage today and $300 win today. Let's get it. Congrats. I mean, easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. Limit order market here. I don't know. Second entry long, maybe we try. Why not? I mean, it's just one contract. Come on, let's get it. Small risk here. We'll make a new high, hopefully. It's currently a nice push up here. Currently nice push up, but needs to end well. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, we can swing as much as we want nowadays because we're on static threshold. So I'm happy just to see this go. You know, we can make this go as high as we want. This is a sick entry long. Looking for a new high at least, bare minimum. Looking for a 1-to-1 at least. It's just going sideways. Okay, makes a 1-to-1. We just hold. Hold! Whoa! I'll take it. Wow! What the heck was that, pandas? I have no clue. But it's very rare when you get slippage going for you. It's very rare to get slippage going for you. So sick. I'll take it. I'll take it. Whatever. Easy peasy. I mean, I don't know. Sure. It's a second entry long. Breakout. Second entry long off the 20 EMA. Terrible looking signal bar, but who cares? Who cares these days? Because no setups are gonna look good. It's just I'm up 945, pandas. I'm up 945. Let's get to 2K. Let's get to 2,000. I realize I can make up to 2,000 because if I make 2,000, then I could be up 6,666, and I'll still be within the consistency rule. We want to make max payouts, so we want to get our accounts up to 7,750, right? Or basic account profits of 7,750, and you know that means the max we can make. I did this yesterday, but I forget. Is 2,325. So I can make 2K a day. And I'll still be within our consistency roll. It'd be great. Just be fine. Fine and dandy, you know what I mean? Another second entry long, maybe I'll take. Another second entry long, I'll take it. It just looks like we're in a strong uptrend. Outside bar reversal, let's skip. I would maybe consider taking that if it like bounced off some sort of support, you know, some sort of trend line. Does nothing, right? Doesn't do any of those things. So I am gonna let that one go, especially as an outside bar reversal. Another strong bull bar 5-minute chart. Could be always in long on the 5-minute. Yep. Right. The bulls are waiting for some sort of confirmation in the 5-minute chart. Just like 2 super strong bull bars. So they're waiting for some sort of confirmation just to like just start putting pressure. Just start buying and buying and buying. Waiting for some confirmation to do it. I may go long here. I mean, I would like if it bounced off our support. In fact, I'll wait for it. Right, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 overlapping bars in a row. I'll wait for it to touch a support, at least a 20 EMA. You know, 20 EMA and trend line. I'll take it with the first entry as well. You know, if we can bounce off the support though. Good patience here. It's paying off. We'll see though. I might miss this trade altogether, but who cares? I'd rather wait for myself. I'd rather wait for it to touch some sort of support here. This is my trend line. We don't quite get there. Creating like a micro double bottom. Again, lots of overlapping bars. You can't ignore this. Like absolute choppiness. It might break up to the upside now. Right, always in long, maybe on the 5-minute chart. Again, I'll take a first entry, but we just need to hit support. But market doesn't. Market's not so generous to give it to us. It just goes up without touching our support or our 20 EMA. And it's like when you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 overlapping bars in a row, feels 20-20. Or sorry, 20. Feels 50-50. Which way it's gonna go? I mean, most likely go up, but the more bars you have overlapping, the less chance it has to go a certain way. Again, like I don't mind going long. I just wanted to hit some sort of support here for me. At least my trend line. Preferably both the 20 EMA and trend line. Okay, hits the trend line. Sure. First entry here. First entry. Ugly looking signal bar. Really ugly looking signal bar. First entry though. I wish it touched the 20 EMA as well, but I mean the signal bar was too ugly for me to take. It was a bad signal. If we had a decent signal bar, I would consider it, but when you're, bouncing off one single, okay. I have to try. I have to try here, pandas. Outside bar reversal, but I have to try. Double key areas, let's get it. Second entry long on a massive uptrend. Always in long on the 5-minute chart. Let's get it. Alright, always in long 5-minute chart. Oh, let's get it. Nice pop up. Okay. Can we get there? Can we get to our target? I hope we can get it, pandas. I hope we can sure diddly do get it. Little pop up here. I'll take it out on the first reversal. I'll take it out on the first reversal. Protect my profits here. Oh, we do get it. Protecting my profits here. Yeah, just protecting my profits. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take it. I just protect my profits. I'd rather protect my profits than, hope for the dream. We're not quite there yet. See, I'm glad I took my profits. I would have came out break even here anyways. Right. Very least come up break even. And to protect my profits, it's always a good thing. Going long here. Coming off our 20 EMA, spiking channel. Could be a decent trade, I don't know. But I'll take it. We still about 600 more we can make on these accounts. As you can tell, there's some disparity between my accounts, right? I have about, from the second account to the next 11, there's like a disparity. For some reason, my trade copier didn't work, and it didn't properly copy my trade. So now, I didn't make as much money as I should have on those accounts, which is super frustrating. But it is what it is. That's the risk. That's just the downside of a trade copier. It's never gonna be perfect, and because you're dealing with real market orders, right? So you can never have perfect fills, but okay, pops up. Very cool. First entry off the 20 MA. We're getting very, very like choppy here, which is not nice. If you're trading in this, it's just like it's just not nice. It doesn't feel nice. It's very sus. I'd say. Definitely not going to trade a breakout of ascending channel. But this is a very strong uptrend. What can I say? So I may trade those accounts separately just to get them up. But the obvious risk is I can lose. And I will have even a larger disparity. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we do. It ends up pushing pretty hard. I don't know. No pullbacks on the 5-minute chart whatsoever. I don't know. Limit order market for the bulls on the 5-minute. Interesting. I just don't know my entry. I just don't know my entry, Panis. Like, I'm fine going long here. I just don't know my entry. I guess a second entry long, but that's a lot to ask for. Like, I doubt we'll get it. I doubt we'll get a second entry long here. I don't want to go long here. Like, banking on a breakout on an ascending channel. Very low probability trade. So, typically, you got to get amazing risk reward. You got to get really good risk reward here if you're going to do this. Big push down. Very big push down. I mean, I could be cheeky. Like, we could be a little cheeky here. Let's try. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Be a little cheeky here. We'll see. It could just be a dumb trade. Maybe it takes the first reversal off the trend line. Maybe limit order off the trend line would have been the best bet.
2,500 tick trap.
The reason why I didn't want to do this is because we had an overshoot, maybe leading to like a slight undershoot. That's what I was thinking. So I was a little more conservative on my limit order. But it bounces off the channel perfectly, so it is what it is. Probably really cheeky, I go short here, back to the bottom of the channel. If I want to be like ultra cheeky. Do I want to be ultra cheeky here? I'm just sitting on my pause. I'm patient here. I don't mind missing all this. I mean, we're up 13.95. Can you complain? Can you complain, pandas? Can y'all really complain? Oh, like I said, if you want to be ultra cheeky, you sell here, come back to the bottom channel. That's ultra cheekiness right there. I mean, that's as cheeky as you can cheek. I mean, if you want to cheek again, I mean, you buy here, come back to the top. That's, you know, that is actually cheekier than selling it here. Limit orders all the way today. Limit orders are king. Limit orders are king right now. Okay, now we're going beneath our channel. Let's have several hits here, okay? Okay. I mean, I think I'll still go long here. Is it so silly to try to go long here? Is it just so ridiculous to try to go long here? Beneath the 20 MA? Shouldn't I be looking for a reversal trade here? I feel like an entry long of some sort. Such a strong uptrend though. Austin here asks, any advice on mentality accepting a bigger stop loss? I typically have a good entries but struggle to let my trees breathe and get stopped out quickly. Then the trade continues. Well, it depends on what your stops are. Like, if your stops are based on price action, there's like nothing you can do about that. It is what it is. If you notice you're in like a trading range day, then you can have wider stops and scale in. But you gotta do it with micros. You can do it with minis, but most likely your count isn't big enough for it. So micros is the way to go. But who in the world's trading micros? Like, who's out there actually trading micros? Who has the patience for that? I mean, I don't. But that's just me. I mean, we're kind of too far away from the resistance. I also have bar reversal. A lot of things I don't like about this trade. This can zoom to the downside. Just too many things I don't like about it. Too many red flags. BPC says, I do sometimes for a base swing play. I mean, okay, that makes sense. But yeah, if your stops are too big, Albrook says you're trading too big, right? If you can't handle the stop loss that you're doing, you're trading too large for yourself. The remedy, obviously, is either have smaller stop losses or trade micros. And both of them are hard to do. Both of them is hard to get yourself to do. Right? Kind of like drills a hole in your head when you're like, when you're making micros, but if you just traded minis, you would have made 10 times as much as you would have made. But I guess the benefit is if you lost, and you would have lost 10 times as much. You save yourselves from 10 times the loss. Oh, okay. You use the micros on the 15-minute 1 hour. Wow. I feel like even then the micro is quite a lot. Like that is, you're still gonna have to swallow a lot of like risk. And let's say it goes your way for a little bit and then reverses and hits your stop loss. I mean, that's a lot of threshold. Bye bye. Say bye bye to your lot of threshold right there. I guess even more for the minis, but. All right, what we got here? Bigger push down than I thought on that first entry. Makes a lower low. Interesting. Like when you see a big bull move like this, you're expecting some follow through, but this is like a pretty strong reversal candle. I'm curious what the bulls will do here. Are the limit order bulls going to jump in here? Maybe. Maybe. All right. We're well into payout city, but we want max payouts. We're close. We are close. We're about 1,000 away from max payouts. Okay, first entry pushing down again. Interesting. It's like a triple bottom right now. Clearly underneath the 20 MA. Triple bottom though. You have like some evidence like we're like trading above the 20 MA, if even if it's a triple bottom. Rarely do we survive 4 knocks on the same support. Rarely do we survive 4 knocks. That's 4th knock right there. Rarely we survive 4 attempts on a support. So 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one pushed down through it. Second entry long, 2,500 tick chart. Could be a juicy one. Could be a juicy one. I mean, this could be a very juicy one here. Right, you got double supports. Outside bar reversal maybe though on it. Who knows? I prefer not trading an outside bar reversal. I really prefer not trading outside bar reversal. We'll see though. Man, this is a very good trade. On the higher time frame as well. Big uptrend. S tier type setup. It will become like a B tier to me if it's an outside bar reversal. 1 contract if it's an outside bar reversal. 2 contracts if it's not. Hard time breaking above the 20 MA here. I drew a line here because it's the bottom of the channel. Oftentimes it acts as a trading range here. The 500 tick looks bearish. Spike channel. Bad signal bar. This S tier just turned to maybe A tier. Bad signal bar. Risk is not terrible. It's only 24-point risk, actually. I've seen bigger risk on the 500 tick chart. Only reason why I don't absolutely love this trade is because it's not a good signal bar. Okay. Still waiting here. Okay. As we break down beneath our trend line and 20 MA, it's looking less and less attractive. Obviously. This is a spike in channel on the 500 tick. And it's very, very strong limit orders, right? Limit orders, limit orders. Being bought and sold. I think it's good enough still for me to try. But if it goes even lower, any lower than this, I won't try anymore. If it goes any lower than this, I don't know if I could try. Yeah, it's pushing down. Just not going to get it. All good. At this point as well, the 20 EMA is starting to curl downwards. So sick. I mean, I thought we had an A+ setup here. So sick. Big push down, but then big push back up. What's happening? Nobody knows. Big push down, equally big push up. Equally as strong. I don't know. Do I try? Do I still try this, pandas? Do I go for it here? Second entry long. Ooh, okay. It's looking so bearish. 9 pushes down. This whole time I'm waiting for a long, but I should just be going short. I would have made a lot more money. What in the world? Anyways, I mean, I don't think I'm looking for a long anymore. Look at this bear bar. It's not done yet, but it looks like it's going to end pretty bearish. 5 minute touches the 20 EMA here. It's the 5 minute up to, okay. Wild. 9 pushes down. Limit orders are strong, selling. Didn't expect it. Right, when you get such a strong move up like this, you're thinking some follow through on it, but we got none. We got absolutely nothing. Strong bear bar, any else low, like there's no way you can go long here. Even if he does blast off, it's not a trade that I'm willing to try. Right, the risk is big now. The signal bar is bad. Right, probability is lower. It's just not worth it. 10 pushes down, pandas, before breaking a previous pivot high. 10 pushes down. Just remember that. 10 freaking pushes down here. It usually reverses after 10. Right? Usually 10 is the not max, but it's like you're getting near the end of the downtrend after 10 pushes, right? That's like a lot of people who swung this. Like 10 pushes down, all right, we're done. Let's get out. Pretty strong reversal back up. I'm trying to find an entry, pandas. I don't know if I'm finding one. I'm not sure if I find one. So bored. Let's just reload historical just for fun. That's how bored I am. I'm just gonna reload my historical because I'm so bored. Pandas, make sure to scalp that like button. We're at 1,395 on a terrible day. Absolutely silly day here. Yeah, like I said, 10 pushes down. Now that pattern breaks. Now we actually broke the pivot high. We can still continue to the downside, but you can see there's some profit taking here. Okay. I mean, I guess I go short. I feel like I'm so late in trend. Like, if I'm going to take a short, I just got to scalp it. That's the best I can do. Why do we always get price action like this? Why does it always look like doo-doo caca every single day? Doo-doo caca every single day. Can we get one day without doo-doo caca? I don't think it's happening. I thought today news would be like what we needed for the volatility, but this is, look at this. Look at this. This is so impossible to trade. I guess limit order traders are having a field day. I'm not really a limit order trader. Oh, low volume days, limit orders are king. I don't know. I mean, at what point in time do I switch bearish, right? When I see this, at one point in time, I'm like, this uptrend no longer exists. It's just going bearish. Maybe it makes a lower low here. Maybe this is a moment. I'm not sure. One of those days. Just waiting for nothing. Second entry short, but late in trend. Possibly here. And bouncing off the 240 SMA, so making even more sus. Second entry short, but very choppy. I don't know. Late in trend, super choppy. Doesn't really actually touch my resistance. Touches at the strong bull bar. Can you really take this? No clue. You really take the second short. Now we're going way above our channel. And it's just a bounce off the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Second just short here. I don't know. Too difficult for me. Right. Kind of big up, big down. The question is, are we going to continue downtrend or are we going to start turning to a trading range? I have no clue. Actually, no idea.
2,500 tick trap.
I want to take this trap, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Jeez. I think I'll take a failed trap on the 2,500. That's your better setup. This trap is very hard to take. It's the first break of trend. Good signal bar, but beneath the 20 MA. Second entry short. Lower high, second entry short. Man. Maybe some sort of bear flag for me here. I don't know.
$2,500 tick trap.
Oh, what am I looking at here? Whatever. I'll force that up and see if we get something from this.
$2,500 tick trap.
Oh my gosh. I hate this trade. I already hate this trade. Yeah, I hate this trade. I knew it. I just... I hated the trade the moment I entered. I'm going to reverse it. Whatever. I hated the trade the moment I entered it. I just didn't feel right. Whatever. What was the risk I took there? The moment I entered the trade, I knew I didn't like it. This reversal is proving to not be good as well. I mean, every single day, pandas. 3 weeks in a row. Every single day. This is what it looks like. What am I dealing with here? Every single day, pandas. 3 weeks in a row. We're getting nonsense like this. Pandas! 3 weeks in a row, pandas. 3 weeks in a row. This is all we're getting. Every single day. Every single day. This is the type of price action we're getting. Every single day. Pandas. I just so dumb. So stupid. Get me out of here. Get me out of this trade right now. Pandas, like, every single day. Pandas, like, what is this? What are we? Why do I have to stare at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row? Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to do that right here? Why do I have to do that here? Why do I have to do that right here? Why do we have to go through this? Every single day. 3 weeks in a row, pandas. It's a miracle we're even positive. Every single day, pandas. Price action is just doo-doo caca. Oh my gosh. I just, pandas, this is like, there's a limit to how much you can, like, you want one good day of trading. Every single day, you're getting nonsense time and time and time and time and time again. Like, every single day, pandas. Every single day, pandas. That is just, it's just like, you just gotta get tired of it. I'm just tired of it. Like, can I just have one good day of price? Can I get one day of some follow through? Can I get one trending day? Can I get something where we can make some bamboo? Where I'm not staring at the charts for 5 hours and it does nothing. It's chops, 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 chops. Every single day for 3 weeks in a row, pandas. That's what we're dealing with right now. 3 weeks it's been like this. It's absolutely a miracle I'm even in Payout City right now. I just can't. I can't, pandas. This is so frustrating. 3 weeks in a row we're getting this nonsense. Whoo! Three weeks in a row. Nonsense again and again and again. In and out, in and out, in and out of the 20 MA. What in the world, pandas? I just can't. So frustrating, pandas. Like, this is the 3 weeks of this is just wears on you. Just wears on you. It wears and tears on your mental capital. I'm just like sick and tired of this trash price action. Look at the daily chart. Can we please get out of this nonsense for once? Please. Just get out of it. Like, how long are we going to be doing this choppiness for? I mean, this pushes down. It just pushes down with no entries. I'm bye bye. Whatever. It goes down without me. Just nothing I can do about it. Time and time and time again. Just no entries. No follow through. Complete choppiness every single day. for 3 weeks in a row. We've been getting nonsense trading for so long. I just can't handle it. New low made. I don't know if I want this. Whatever. If it goes down, it goes down. I can't partake. I can't partake. It's too choppy. It's too choppy, man. It's so choppy. Oh my gosh. Look at this 2,500 tick chart. Look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars in a row. Pandas. Yeah. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it. Absolutely, I'm going to lose it. Absolutely lose it. I'm like talking as if I'm red, but I'm just talking because the price action is so doo-doo caca. I'm actually deep green, but the price is so doo-doo caca, it doesn't matter. It's just so frustrating. That's how you know the PA is doo-doo caca. Even though you're deep green, you're so frustrated still. Jeez. That's how you know. Even when you're deep green, you're frustrated with the price action. That's how you know it is truly choppy. Oh my gosh. Pandas. Whew. Just so frustrating. Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. Impossible to trade. No entries. Just bounces. No higher low setup. Just goes right back to the top trading range. Like, just nothing. No setups whatsoever. It's just ridiculous. Whew. Pandas, I just... so frustrating. Every single day for 3 weeks in a row. It's been doo-doo caca. Doo-doo caca. I want top of trading range. I don't care. Trading to the top of it.
Target filled.
So stupid. So freaking stupid. It's dumbest market of all time. This is the dumbest market of all time. Someone Rocket says, I've been away. What accounts are these? If I may ask, these are Apex accounts. We are in Payout City, and we're trying to get max payouts, so we got to get our accounts up to 7,750. It's ridiculous. Going back to the bottom trading range, no entries. Very cool. Every single day, pandas. This is what we're dealing with. Top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. I should just buy here, huh? I should just be buying here. What am I even trying to do? I'm even trying to get a breakout here. I'm even trying to get a breakout here. Whatever. I'm going to try. I don't even know why I'm trying this, but here we go. Why am I even trying this? I have no clue, but here we go. Feels like an entry long, 5-minute chart. No clue why I'm trying this, but I'm going to try it.
5-minute trap.
You have one opportunity, one chance. Bye-bye. I should have just bought at the bottom of the trading range. What in the world am I thinking? Why didn't I just buy? Why didn't I just buy right here? Back to the top of the trading. Why didn't I just do that? Oh, because I'm an idiot. That's why. I'm a big dummy. That is the only reason why I missed that trade. Marcus Vaughn. Yeah, forget this. Only took one trade today. I'll come back after Memorial Day holiday. Have a good holiday weekend, everyone. Happy trading. Thanks for joining. It is going to be a holiday on Monday. It's Memorial Day, and that means no trading. But that is Monday. High or low? I'll just go for the top of the trading range again. I just know the moment I try to sell it here, it's gonna break out. I just absolutely have the strangest, darndest feeling. The moment I try to trade this trading range, it will break out and I will get crushed. I have the strangest feeling. I know the moment I try, it will break out. Double bottom potentially here. I don't know. I know the moment I try, this will break out. Miss the top of the trading range. Miss the top of the trading range. Which means that there could be bearish pressure here. Strong bear bars ending on their low. Again, bouncing off the bottom of the trading range. Very strongly. In and out, in and out, in and out of 20 MA. Pandas, look at this chart and tell me this isn't the worst price action you've ever seen in your life. Goodness gracious. Feels like entry long. I'm gonna try here. Why? I have no clue. Why am I trying to go short here? I have no clue. OI pattern, the 5-minute chart. Very cool. I should just wait till this actually breaks out and then try to trade with trend. That's what I should really be doing here. Instead, I'm going to just do something nonsensical.
Five-minute trap.
I can't. I can't do it. I just have no idea what's happening here. So ridiculous. Perhaps an OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means literally 35 minutes of nothing happening. Okay. Maybe pushing to the downside. No clue. Let's see if cumulative delta tells us anything of this price action. What is this? Check, check. No sound. I should have sound. So while this was going sideways, this was heading down, I guess. Maybe that's some information. Maybe it was telling us we're going to go down eventually. No clue. There's a confirmation bar for the 5-minute traders. Probably no sound because I'm saying nothing. I'm just like I'm done yelling. Like I just went on like a rant because I was so just frustrated with this price action. If I get a breakout, but it's just like there's a setup here. Fails like entry long, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like huge bars. And they're like overlapping big wicks. If you're gonna skip a trade, that's the trade you're gonna skip. If you're gonna ever skip a trap, that's the trap you skip. And it's just like the probability. I just don't know if it was there. Makes a 1-to-1. That's fine, I guess. You want more than a 1-to-1 on that trade, though. To me, that feels like a losing trade still. Huge reversal up. It's so sick. Like, it's an insane reversal back up. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. I'm glad I just took it out on the first reversal because the first reversal is the one that comes all the way back up. I just knew it was sus today. When you get this many overlapping bars in a row, the market's going to love this price action. Like, it's going to love this price. This is like, they find equilibrium here. Can't stray too far away from it. The character of the market's still choppy. I guess today's not the day. I mean, we're up 1,400. I can't complain, but it's just not the day, pandas. Like, the price action in general is just not it. It's not it. I just don't feel comfortable taking any trades. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Cumulative delta actually interesting. Is cumulative delta actually an interesting indicator here? Is it actually interesting? Six over the bars in a row.
Target filled.
Skunking all my trades like 40,000 overlapping bars in a row again. I don't know why I'm still streaming, pandas. I don't know why I'm still streaming. You tell me. Why am I still here? I have no clue. Why am I still streaming? I have no idea. This is absolutely due to Kakade. Look at this. Like, it is just untradeable. There's only so much more I can handle of this nonsense. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. When you get 40,000 overlapping bars in a row, just stay away. It's untradeable. So untradeable. Mesmerizingly untradeable. I might as well just go short here to come back into this terrible trading range. Yep. Why am I still here? No clue. Why am I still trying to trade this? No idea. Ugh. So dumb. So stupid, this price action. Yeah, Pandas, how you guys doing? How y'all doing? You guys are saying I might as well end it. It's all good. Second inch long. Coming off the 20 MA and a bunch of chop. Not worth it. Does work out. Strong pull bar, neon's high. Still no clue. I mean, as long as we're in this, like, twilight zone. As long as we're in this range, we're in the twilight zone. That's what I'm trying to say. That is what I'm trying to say, man. Oh. I got one more trade in me, but if the setup doesn't happen in the next, like, 10 to 15 minutes, I'm ending the stream. Got one more setup in me. 2,500 tick, fails like inches short. And that will be the end. I wonder what I'm trying to do. To be honest, I have no idea. I'm just marking divergences, the cumulative delta, and the price action. You can see there was a divergence here, negative divergence. This was going higher, this was going lower. Even by a little bit, but still going lower. This is going lower as this is going higher. Right? That's called hidden divergence, which means that this has a chance to go back up. Up, 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 still negative divergence, or still hidden divergence here. All right. Top of the trading range, back then the bottom of the trading range. Is that what it's trying to do, you cutie pie? You cutie pie. Whoa, hello. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. Just hold. Just hold. See what happens type thing. I want the fail second short on the 2500 tick. Absolute mess right now. It's an absolute mess right now. Last trade of the stream. Hope it doesn't create an outside bar reversal. That'll be stinky. Still creating a hidden divergence here. As this is going lower, this is going... actually, technically it went lower if you use the closes. I don't know. Okay. Fair enough. Top to the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. This was the setup I was waiting for. Never happened. So I think I'm going to end it here. Being positive 1400. It's a very good green day, but it doesn't feel like it. The price action looking like this, it just feels like a loss for everyone else. It just feels like a loss, even if it's a win. When you get price action that looks like this for several hours, 3 weeks in a row. It's just like, it just feels like a loss, like a losing day. You know, just staring at this chart, trying to find some setups. It feels like an L day. Even though we're deep green, just, I don't know. It's just, there's nothing here. It's just something about the frustration of the price action. It just makes it, how can I say? Just feels like, let's just say this. I didn't lose fiscal capital, monetary capital. I lost mental capital. And that's why it feels like an L day. How much mental capital I lost today. Staring at this nonsense just for so long. All right, Bannis. I think that's it. Not much else to look for here. It's just going completely sideways, and I'm not sure if I can find a setup. Like, I don't feel confident enough to go long here to get back to the top trade. I just don't feel confident. I just don't do those. Just don't do these trades. Even though it works out for days like today, but you know, most days it doesn't work out like that. So, Pandas, with that being said, hey, we're up 1,400. We're well into payout city. In fact, I could take out solid like 1,500 out every account. That gives me a 30K payout. But we're looking for max payouts, Pandas. We're looking for the maximum, and we're gonna get it. And tomorrow might be another slow day because it's the day before Memorial Day weekend. So we might have another slow day. I don't know, Pandas. Like, this is just mind numbing and very frustrating. Very just feels like a waste, you know. So it is what it is. Pandas, you know, you saw it live here, you saw all the trades, and you can see exactly how we're doing. And yeah, if you enjoy the content, scalp that like button, and I hope to see you guys bright and early tomorrow as we continue this journey. We're well into our payout city, and now we're just looking for extra. So, Pandas, with that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.